Hi guys! So for today's video, ituturo ko sa inyo kung ano yung Ask AI at kung ano yung features niya. So, dito. Una, Ask AI is an online tools that allows you to ask questions and receive detailed and comprehensive answers. So, what are the features of Ask AI? So, Ask AI is a machine learning natural language processing pattern, recognition, problem solving, decision making, and the ability to adapt and improve over time. So, open natin. So, ito yung Ask AI. So, what does Ask AI do? So, it provides a real-time assistance and accurate answers directly from your school's publicly available information to create seamless, efficient, and branded. So, makikita nyo yung write your message. So, dito nyo ilagay yung question nyo or kung ano yung question na gusto nyong ilagay dyan at kung ano yung answer na gusto nyong malaman or idea. So, dyan nyo ilagay. At pwede din kayong gumamit ng camera, yung may katabi sa mic. Pwede nyo niyang i-click at capturean nyo yung question para mas madali ma-accurate o mabigay ni Ask AI yung mga answers na gusto nyo malaman. Okay. So, marami tayong tools dyan. May image generator, may voice chat, may browsing chat, may YouTube summary, may Ask and AI, may link and ask. So, marami tayong tools dyan na gusto nyong, kung ano yung gusto nyong i-click dyan, pwede kayong gumamit dyan. So for last, of advanced functions including the ability to use, understand, and translate spoken and written language, analyze data, and make recommendations and more. So, dyan. Marami tayong mga ano dyan. Yun lang po. Thank you. Bye. Thank you for watching.